The Parker Solar Probe, a mission like no other. The cosmos, filled with mysteries, yet none as captivating as our very own sun, the heart of our solar system. Introducing the Parker Solar Probe, NASA's audacious mission to touch the sun. This probe, a marvel of human engineering, is built to withstand extreme conditions, unrivaled by any other spacecraft in history. Delving closer to the sun than ever before, it seeks to unravel the sun's secrets, helping us understand its complex and powerful nature more intimately. What will happen when it reaches its destination? How will it withstand the sun's blistering heat? The possibilities are as thrilling as they are uncertain. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey. Together, we'll explore the mysteries of our sun and of the universe beyond. The Parker Solar Probe, touching the sun. One small step for a probe, one giant leap for mankind's understanding of the cosmos.